Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best dash cam review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Som 4K Ultra HD Dash Cam. The Som 4K Ultra HD Dash Cam is a great choice if you want clear, high-quality footage and strong all-around protection. It records in true 4K, so details like license plates and road signs stay sharp. The f/1.8 aperture, WDR and night vision help the camera perform well even in low light. You also get a rear camera, giving you full coverage from both ends of the vehicle with built-in Wi-Fi and the Vega app. Checking your videos on your phone is simple and fast. The camera uses a supercapacitor, making it more reliable in hot or cold temperatures compared to regular batteries. It supports up to 128 GB storage and includes helpful features like AG sensor, parking monitor, real-time surveillance, and optional GPS logging. If you want a dependable 4K dash cam with dual cameras, stable performance, and easy app control, this model delivers strong value and peace of mind on the road. Number 4. GMAPOP 1080-pixel Wi-Fi Dual Dash Cam. The GMAPOP Wi-Fi Dual Camera Dash Cam is a great option if you want solid front and inside coverage for daily driving, ride share, or family trips. It records in full HD 1080-pixel with a wide 170 degrees viewing angle, giving you clear visibility of the road and inside the cabin. The built-in IR night vision works well in low light conditions, making it useful for nighttime driving. It supports loop recording, motion detection, and AG sensor, so important footage is automatically saved. If any sudden impact occurs with Wi-Fi support and the FrameFox app, you can quickly review or download videos straight to your phone. The dash cam includes a small screen for quick checking and supports up to 64 GB memory. If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use dash cam with dual-channel recording and reliable night vision, this model offers strong value. It's ideal for everyday drivers who want extra safety and clear evidence on the road. Number 3. AprilBoy Ultra HD 4K Dash Cam. The AprilBoy Ultra HD 4K Dash Cam is a compact but powerful car camera designed for drivers who want crystal-clear video and reliable protection on the road. It records in true 4K video 3840 by 2160 pixel using the Sony IMX415 sensor, giving you sharp daytime footage and impressive night vision. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens captures more of the road, and with the optional GPS plus rear camera, you get full coverage and accurate speed/out tracking. This dash cam supports 24-hour parking monitoring thanks to its built-in battery and intelligent G sensor. It automatically records when it detects movement or impact, helping protect your car. Even when you're away, the Wi-Fi plus Vega app makes it easy to view or download videos directly to your phone. Overall, if you want a small but feature-packed dash cam with 4K clarity, night vision, Wi-Fi, and optional GPS/rear camera, this model delivers excellent value and all-day protection for your car. Number 2. DJI Mola N3 Pro Dash Camera. The DJI Mola N3 Pro is a solid and smart dash cam for drivers who want clear footage and easy app connectivity. It records in 2.5K video, 2560 by 600 pixel resolution, giving you sharp and detailed videos both day and night. With its dual lens setup, you get front and rear coverage, making it ideal for daily driving and long trips. The viewing angle of 105 to 140 degrees captures a good portion of the road without too much distortion. One of its strong features is the DJI Smart app, which connects through Wi-Fi. You can quickly preview, download, or share videos right from your phone. It also supports up to 512 GB storage, so you won't have to worry about running out of space. Powered by a Sigma Star chipset, the camera delivers smooth and stable 25 frames per second recording. Overall, if you want a reliable and user-friendly dash cam with high-quality 2.5K video, dual cameras, and smart app support, this dash cam is a great choice for everyday drivers. Number 1. Axio B35P Dash Cam. The Axio B35P 4K Dash Cam for car DVR is a powerful and reliable car camera designed to give you crystal clear footage and strong protection on the road. It records in 4K UHD using a high-quality Sony IMX415 sensor, so both daytime and night footage look sharp and detailed with a wide 170 degrees front view and 140 degrees rear camera. It covers more of the road, reducing blind spots. It also includes essential safety features like G-sensor, 24-hour parking monitor, wide dynamic range, anti-fog, anti-vibration and radar detection. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you quickly view or download videos, while the external GPS records your speed and route. The dash cam supports up to 512 GB storage, perfect for long trips with loop recording. If you want a feature-packed high-resolution dash cam with strong night vision, dual cameras and full driving protection, the Axio is an excellent choice for daily use and long travel.